What's up, guys? Guess what I got in the mail? My clutch cable. So I'm gonna install this video. I was just sitting around like watching TV, and I went into the kitchen and it was sitting right on the table. I didn't even realize I got it. My mom brought it in. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. This is gonna be installing my new clutch lever and probably driving a little bit. I'm not sure how much though. Okay guys, so we're gonna open this. There's paper in it. Don't need that. Let's see what this is. Adjuster seat, and as you guys can see, it came to $14. Not that bad. So this is the cable tied up in a knot. So there's that. This is the old one. This old piece of crap one. Oh, it's already. Oh yeah. Yep, my cable was definitely broken. I wasn't certain that it was, but look at this. Literally no effort at all. And then look at this one. Things. It's all the way out. I can't even do anything with it. Thing's garbage. So yeah, this one, nice and smooth is right there. Okay, now I'm gonna install it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this so it like goes up around through the thing, and it's gonna come out up here so it'll connect. So here, let me set up a time lapse. So right now I'm just taking off this, which is the number plate, front number plate, because I'm not exactly sure how I'm supposed to run the wire, and I feel like the guy didn't run it the right way, because I have this bracket down here I could run it through, or this one that I took it off of, and this one seems like it's more logical. Goes down here, hooks into there, but I'm not exactly sure. So I'm gonna keep screwing on this. Once I figure it out, I'll show you guys. Okay guys, well I was having some issues figuring out where it went, and I decided to go this way. So basically it just runs down, straight across to there, to that right there. Shouldn't go anywhere, and if I tug on, so yeah, I might need to take it off, and yeah, I'm gonna have to, cause that's not. It has to end like somehow straight. So I'll be back once I figure this out. I've never done this, so this is first time. So probably take a couple, but I'll get it. Okay, so a quick little update is I'm gonna take this off because I don't think this is set up right. So I need to take off this cover, which I'm probably gonna have to lay the bike back. And I turned on some music, so yeah, let me lay this down and now I'll see what I have to work with now. Because I've taken this off. When it was messed up, I took this off thinking that was broken. And I don't know if I put it back in right, so I just want to take it off and look at it.
Visit city of Maine today. Your local Boss dealer in Auburn on Center Street. When you're hiring, you want qualified candidates fast, and it can be.
Okay guys, as you can see, I laid the bike down to check that, and I think I fixed it a little bit. I gotta fix that. Paint's wearing off. The guy painted my rims black. So now I need to set this up to here, set that cable, put the spring and stuff back on it, and then I'm gonna test it. Oh, actually I need to put on my muffler too, right there. So yeah. Okay guys, this is taking a little bit longer than I expected, but I got that on, got this on, that's together. Up there isn't up together yet, but this is taking quite a while. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish putting on the plastics, and then I'm gonna record setting up that, and then I can test it, see if it starts. Also, I have to put on the gas tank. Okay guys, it's getting pretty dark, but I'm gonna take this one off and put my new black one that didn't work before because my blind was messed up. So take this off and put this one on, and yeah, as you can see, everything else is all tanks back on, seats on, the muffler, plastics, that piece that the line goes into, it's all there. So once I finish this, I'll come back and see how it does, see if it fixed it.